Gonna say hey baby?
Hey baby.
You gonna say something?
Hey friends, family, and homesteaders. Welcome back to Ruby Homestead. I'm Nikki, this is Troy, and Frankie behind the camera. We're going to switch here in a minute and he's going to do some fishing.
Yeah.
Yep, family fishing trip. Ruby Homestead. Here we go.
Hey everybody. Welcome to Ruby Homestead. It's my little compost bin that I have off the deck of my place. And this is where my worms are at. Alright. Little guys. Plus the hooks I use, I don't really need a monster worm. But a monster worm would work too. It's nice and warm. Worms are looking really good. Check it out. Nice young ones. Let's see what I catch today. These things come in handy, this compost bin. It does so good for us. And that is my worm bin, or as you could say, compost. And I just use those boards right there. Alright. Fishing pole's ready. Just gotta find the pockets. This is not a pocket, but it's some nice strong current. I'll let Nikki grab the camera. I'll go down. What is it? I'm just using a little trout hook, 2 sinkers. I'm just using this to hold my worms in. The spring loads up and you can put crickets and stuff. My wife got it for me. But if you don't spring it up, I just use it for worms. It's handy. Okay. Nothing here. We gotta move forward. Walk through this stuff first. Alright, come on.
I give up. That's cold. Wait. Your net.
Oh. Totally forgot about my net.
Here, hang on.
See if you can go under it, baby. Over here. I'll pull it up for you. Watch the briar right there. Down more, down more, down more, down more. Squat, squat.
Yeah, I can't.
There it goes.
Okay.
Baby, go ahead and move. Camera's not on, is it?
Yes, it's on.
Yep.
I got really excited. Daddy's still fishing. And Troy is sleeping. Oh, no, he woke up. You want your passy back? You dropped it. Here. Here, look. 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 Okay. Fine, use your hand. Look it. Okay. See if you can pitch it into that current up there. Like right along the wall. Yeah, and just kind of let it go a minute. Gotcha.
Got one, guys. The trout. Don't want to fight him too much. He's on there. Got him right there. You can kind of see him. It's like a brook or a brown. I got my net. I'm gonna pull him up this way. He's gonna see me and get hurt, but it's fine. I just usually walk in there nice and slow. Hold my string. Like that. That's a nice one. Right on the lip. Calm down, boy. Got him right on the lip. Good hook. Nice fish. He is a little small, so Nikki likes these little panfish. Let's see if I can set you up, guys, upright. Calm down. Usually grab them right here by the gills. Squeeze that hook out a little bit. Calm down. Calm down. Got it. Nothing. Perfect fish.
him back in the water for a second.
That's net. He's perfectly fine. I'm just getting a little bit of water so you guys can see him better. Alright. Let me get him out. No blood. Good to go. There he goes. Nice fish. This is where I'm fishing. Just threw it right over here, kind of went underneath that log a little bit, and there he was. Alright, this is going to be it for Ruby Homestead. Thanks for watching, and bring you guys the next fishing trip. They're not biting too much. The water's really cold. So, the trout are at least, and the knotty heads, but that's the first trout I got. So, probably do a little more fishing down that way. But, I'll sign off and let you guys go. Alright, thanks for watching. Ruby Homestead. Little fishing trip we did today. Thanks.